What's up everyone, welcome to this video. In this video I will show you how to fix the volume keeps turning down issue on your Redmi cell phone. So to fix this issue, first of all try restarting your phone. So to restart, press and hold on the power button and then swipe down this white circle, and when this white circle gets green you can release your finger to restart your phone. And after restarting your phone your issue will be fixed. But if you are still facing the issue, then check for the software update for your phone. So to check that, open settings. Now in settings tap on about phone. Now from here tap on the software version, and then it will automatically check for the available updates. So if your phone's software is not up to date, then update the software, and after updating the mobile's software it will fix the media volume issue. Now after updating the phone's software, if you are still facing the issue, then the last solution is open settings again, tap on about phone. Now scroll down and tap on factory reset. Now here tap on erase all data, and then enter your lock screen pin, password or pattern to confirm. So when you will enter the correct pin, password or pattern of your lock screen, it will reset your phone back to factory default, and everything from your phone will be deleted, including files, photos, videos, contacts. Everything will be deleted, and after that the volume issue will be fixed. So that's how you can fix the volume keeps turning down issue on your Redmi cell phone. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.